large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located over Naperville and Joliet and were moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Frankfurt Square, Belmont Crescent, Palos Heights, Westchester, West Town, Preston Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Oak Lawn, Marionette Park, Orland Hills, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, near North Side, Stickney, Willowbrook, Logan Square, Crestwood, Westmont, Lower West Side, Avalon Park, Grand Boulevard, Calumet City, and South Deering. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake and northeastern